Hi, welcome to NCERT CBSE Class 6 History Chapter 9 Vital Villages, Thriving Towns. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section A Closer Look Arikamedu Part 2. This comprises 14 questions. Question 1. Stamped red glazed pottery known as Aretine ware is made by dash. The options are applying fine black slip to the surface, roasting wet clay, pressing earthenware to high temperatures, pressing wet clay into a stamped mold. Your time to choose. And the answer is pressing wet clay into a stamped mold. So, stamped red glazed pottery known as Aretine ware is made by pressing wet clay into a stamped mold. Question 2. In addition to stamped red glazed pottery, there was another pottery which was made dash. The options are in Rome, locally, in Rajasthan, in Mathura. Your time to choose. And the answer is locally. So, in addition to stamped red glazed pottery, there was another pottery which was made locally. Question 3. The pottery made locally used dash. The options are Roman designs, Greek designs, Persian designs, Mediterranean designs. Your time to choose. And the answer is Roman designs. So, the pottery made locally used Roman designs. Question 4. Dash have also been found at Arikamedu. The options are Roman lamps, glassware, gems, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of these. So, Roman lamps, glassware, and gems have also been found at Arikamedu. Question 5. Dash are found at Arikamedu. The options are large tanks, small tanks, wells, canals. Your time to choose. And the answer is small tanks. So, small tanks are found at Arikamedu. Next question 6. Small tanks have been found at Arikamedu which were probably dash used to dye cloth. The options are dyeing vats, water containers, color palettes, oil vats. Your time to choose. And the answer is dyeing vats. So, small tanks have been found at Arikamedu which were probably dyeing vats used to dye cloth. Question 7. Small tanks have been found at Arikamedu which were probably dyeing vats used to dash. The options are dye cloth, dry cloth, press cloth, soak cloth. Your time to choose. And the answer is dye cloth. So, small tanks have been found at Arikamedu which were probably dyeing vats used to dye cloth. Question 8. At Arikamedu, there is dash for the making of beads from semi-precious stones and glass. The options are no evidence, some evidence, plenty of evidence, a rule manuscript. Your time to choose. And the answer is plenty of evidence. So, at Arikamedu, there is plenty of evidence for the making of beads from semi-precious stones and glass. Question 9. At Arikamedu, there is plenty of evidence for dash from semi-precious stones and glass. The options are making of garlands, decoration of cloth, making of beads, making of ornaments. Your time to choose. And the answer is making of beads. So, at Arikamedu, there is plenty of evidence for making of beads from semi-precious stones and glass. Question 10. At Arikamedu, there is plenty of evidence for making beads from dash. The options are semi-precious stones, glass, semi-precious stones and glass, semi-precious stones, glass and pure gold. Your time to choose. And the answer is semi-precious stones and glass. So, at Arikamedu, there is plenty of evidence for making beads from semi-precious stones and glass. Next question, question 11. Evidences of dash indicate that there was contact with Rome. The options are local pottery based on Roman designs, Roman lamps, A and B, Aretine ware. Your time to choose. And the answer is A and B. So, evidences of local pottery based on Roman designs and Roman lamps indicate that there was contact with Rome. Question 12. Several pieces of pottery at Arikamedu have dash in Brahmi which was used to write Tamil. The options are stamps, inscriptions, die marks, designs. Your time to choose. And the answer is inscriptions. So, several pieces of pottery at Arikamedu have inscriptions in Brahmi which was used to write Tamil. Question 13. Several pieces of pottery at Arikamedu have inscriptions in dash which was used to write Tamil. The options are Devanagari, Brahmi, Malayalam, Bengali. Your time to choose. And the answer is Brahmi. So, several pieces of pottery at Arikamedu have inscriptions in Brahmi, which was used to write Tamil. Last question, question 14. Several pieces of pottery at Arikamedu have inscriptions in Brahmi, which was used to write dash. The options are Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, Telugu. Your time to choose. And the answer is Tamil. So, several pieces of pottery at Arikamedu have inscriptions in Brahmi, which was used to write Tamil. Okay, so in this video, we learned every point in the section A Closer Look Arikamedu Part 2. In the next video, we will learn every point in the section Elsewhere. I'll see you there.